First of all, umfana ngiyamblame ne-Chiefs. Mara ngiphinde futhi ngingamblame ne-Chiefs ngiyablame. You both. They are agent in this game. The agent umfana might say to the boy, let's go to Sundowns. I don't think the idea could judge. You understand? The reason I'm saying this, there's Obama there. He's not playing. He was a top player for Pirates, Bafana as well. There's Nkuluma player at Towns, top players as well. There's Tiani Mabunda, who won the star for the team. Kev. There's Muhumi. You understand? The coach, if Mzwila thing I release and there's Swamluna. It's been a while if he was a bad player, we made him release like not even 3-game consistency. But there's a good reason why I'm kept it. Peter knows football. I respect the coach. We understand my brother. So Gunalum Fanalum Kulis is also playing there. It's gonna be tough. There's Shompo, there's Andy Charlie. Currently playing. Shompo is a captain, you can't take him off. You can't put him as a sub. Charlie is on top of the game. I know him as Nisho, mini best player is amongst the best now, currently. Player now, mina. Generation he falls there, according to me. About Tinash, about Bettina. You understand? Yeah, so Uchochi, Uktisrakti Chiefs, Pela. Good bam sign it. As in Shilo, Angi umfana footing Shilo, within yam blame, and she'll within blame. Ugubaloyan, Gamon Shaka cool sometimes. You understand? You will stay with Chiefs Mangitina when you play. Why is there made 6 months? You understand? Why did they wait for the 6 months? Big me labor champ. You understand? And 6 months thing was a big call. Remember, I understand the Ashilo man Djibouti. Chiefs supposed to know. Agmelang about signing out without communicating with Kaizer Chiefs. Mara I play Maluleka for 6 months. That's why I had to sign the pre-contract. The Chiefs supposed, my brother, we made a sacrifice. Angi two Church is the best player in South Africa as well. I know the boy, I know channel like David John. Timina Madlad. I know him personally. He started as a striker, but I'm converted to the midfield. Yes. He was attacking, now he's defensive, sometimes at the versatile now. So I know the boy close. So knowing Church and knowing Kaizer Chiefs, you going to me Kaizer Chiefs. Nyaxolisa Nkululeko ngizoyibeka nje open and straightforward. I've got angina personality with Kaizer Chiefs ngihlale ngibeka vele straight. Angilwi nabachi that team ngithathe zisokona home for ekhaya. George he is doing well for Kaizer Chiefs. Not a star player in South Africa but for Kaizer Chiefs. Number one discipline, he was very disciplined with Kaizer Chiefs. Mawungambona dlala uyazinikela body language ikutshela yonke into. And some akabo akusumuntu nama injury amhluphayo. You understand? And at 32 years, ngine believe mina. Ukusayina bo Katsande, you understand that these players abaqeda ukusigna. They are players that they just renew with them. Matho, you understand? Bekumele ngabe uGeorge bayiba meet ama demons wakhe. Angithi uGeorge right. Ngekwazi mhlambe agent yakhe nayifune lo. Ngayo le 2 years and uGeorge wanted 3. Itholita yenza sense for Kaizer Chiefs. You understand? Mara for now ba means the captain kulama game nangale game besibukele the last game that bayidliwe kuyo Amazulu was a captain Katsani was not there knowing baza ba means the captain kulento abayibonile it means it's a leader. You understand into zenzayo off and off on and off the field is right. So bekumele ngalo kumnika ampel ibabonisa benge bamnika ampel should be bam observe bam assess kakhulu and remember ba night training and stuff. And angaze ngeze story in terms of media esibed ngogeorge. So leon tip idlala role enkulu can be good but in modern football uyayibona idlala because of they will tell you about sponsors, the brand, how big it is. It's bigger than you. So george akabaniki inkinga leyo ndlela. He's a leader. Bekumele ngabe dala baye bamnika bawamitha ama demands wakhe. Baphinde umfana bama understandisa as naye ngabe uye wakhuluma neagent yakhe mangabe. Angisho ungizwile ngithe story direct akekho saziyo. It's Kaizer Chiefs and George and his agent. So bekumele uye why understand this agent ukuthi I'm playing here. Chances of going to Europe 32 years kunama players adlala kuma countries are different at the age of 38 39 ngiyaxolisa like Ibrahimovic now is playing at the age of 39 you understand my brother so uGeorge ama chances ukuthi adlale mayizoba slim kunabo ngiyaxolisa abamsanelanga laba compete ne Kaizer Chiefs my brother njoba ngisho ba compete ne Kaizer Chiefs number 1 and so uKatsande is ulimele the season is over for him so uGeorge ukushintsha lesa spine inkinga bemele bawamitha ama demons okay no in Kaizer Chiefs ngishilo enkululeko nami ngicabangile ngeke iphinde imdlalise yeah no in Kaizer Chiefs ngikhulela nami mina ku development they are straightforward engwazibo ngabo definitely sure treatment in terms of players they treat players good mawi player labo but njengamanje they know uGeorge is no longer their player and it does make sense mara as a professional uGeorge ngizomcela attend training but the treatment is not going to be the same le umpire they bayithathile mhlambe ukhune is not playing Katsande don't banikena they're going to take it because uzohlala ebenchini bazo sticka ngeplay ezohlala much longer they just sign a come which is I mean it's a bad signing for me not the Kaizer Chiefs player I respect the guy I've got nothing against him ngibe against him I've never played the position in anchor but passing backwards and excel ama game la few it's a second round it demanding kuye kakhulu ifuna thinking ifuna ukuzithemba ifuna as ngisho ama fans adlala role enkulu so akaka please ama fans ngalo ndlela mawunga check ama game odlalile awe 2-3 Highlands Park started the game playing backwards bengibukele nginawe I was not impressed playing backwards sideways he scared to play forward so already first impression it last makula ama club mangaba udlala kahle first game and second game it's break it to make it so une pressure manje lot of fans by noticeile lento engikhuluma nawe ngayo so izomshana psychological ukuthi uGeorge is living and esithembele ku izomshana because very good player for me for Kaizer Chiefs but his game time mawungamcheka he is a bit rusty nangamazulu ngimbonile and bamshiftile uconfuse manje ufike la dlala phakathi and bamise side ngoba badlala i433 or 4-3 you understand that 2-1 banokudlala that system so ngiyaxolisa nkululeko eyizoba nzima balimele kakhulu man la imbizeni ifuna umuntu yabona sensitive kakhulu ifana na center back ne striker going forward le spine salimala la ema-siding siyabona goalkeeping and spine the team is dead so iChiefs ngalo win league ngisayiphinda say worse ngoba bengisho ukuthi eqaleni win league ngendlela ebadlala ngayo I'm not against them bengiconcerned nje ngiyayithanda le club that's why bengikhuluma ngale ndlela engikhuluma ngayo kuzoba nzima manje kakhulu times 2 because ispine sabo sifile yeah coach uPeter Msima ngiyayazi kancane ku development mayisebenza ku SuperSport nami ngu development Kaizer Chiefs and ngiyangifuna I almost signed with him ku under 22 on under 21 beku technical director so dala I know is being the coach philosophy yakhe so far akusuthi thing mas ngalondlela mara I know him he's a mastermind mawungamcheka off the field ama players Sundowns he manage them on and off the field ama players Sundowns are very disciplined you never had ngaphandle kwale scandal sakaphakamani mara you hardly find players baphuma endleleni and mawungacheck system yabo ama players adlala ku Sundowns yes they are talented individual mara badlala under instructions so kunendlela noma ungamuza bambuza ngabo locha bobani mawumbuza ucoach Pitts ukuthi you need abo locha it doesn't care ukuthi how much you score ufuna play lawuleka ground a coach that is a player that is coachable a player that is no uyamuzana manje uthi usayina ukapinga marmela lungiswe so kuye it doesn't care about fans so because he indlela understand the game deep kakhulu man kwenye level and remember his experience he won his stuff for Sundowns he won ama Champions League absa for Sundowns ingenzeki le nto after third young understander and he's doing well for Sundowns and the brand of football that they're playing currently they don't just score nami ngifan yabo I'm not a fan of Sundowns original but amehlo ami nengqondo yami maprada ngeke ngitshela manga they playing good football so nkululeko akamsayinelanga ukuthi azodlala la umsayine ukudisturb Kaizer Chiefs ya uzomsatisfy mfana nga first four games badlala indlo ingqondo bazobe kuyi mind game ukuthi ukuthi simsayinele umfana simiyeke but going forward my brother angeke amsebenzise ngoba ufuna umuntu comfortable qala ekhipholweni comfortable. Uma check uhlompa umlungisile beyangekho nje ngidlalile against Hlompa, I know him. I've never got the chance ukudlala noJali, but I saw ukuthi Pirates ukuthi was comfortable. Uchali was making a role enkulu ku Pirates, doing a very very good job in terms of defending and playing. He's not the anchor, yiko ngimthanda, uversatile kakhulu. So uGeorge in most nambe ngamenzi anchor because unenkinga yokuba comfortable ebholweni. And is he gonna play with those big fish now? Ngoba psychologically yomshayi is gonna compete with Hlompo, Jali. Top class players currently at Downs ba comfortable kakhulu, banendlela coach baya understand. Mawunga check the way ba build up ngakhona emidlili emuva maba susi bowler. Mawunga check baba they become wingers. They become full backs. uHlompo noJali, they are going wide and then ama full back wabaya forward. Ngikhuluma ngolanga mane uAnele. And then when they play say Alile, and then abona Cemento they go inside. We one wabo and then we wanna stay for start the ball. So uJoji zobanzima ukudlala under instruction. I think iqala izomshaya ngeke kunzima ukudlala under instruction. There are many talented players but to play under instruction kuba inzima kakhulu. Alright, which is another competition. Kaizer Chiefs, remember they akunama player abasebenzisa. Uyabona abasebenzisa line up one in most cases and iyabasebenzela because they've been winning first round bahleli lapha ku number 1. We understand that, and now basahleli namanje. Though the different thing ama point is not longer kakhulu aslim manje ama point. If we Sundowns win their game labor now in hand, different will be one game and then they must play Sundowns. And I'm sure contract angekadlala uJoji ebayenzile. I don't think he will play against them. You know, Sundowns against Chiefs. So bayibulela angekadlala uJoji manje yaxolisa ku Downs bra. It's a wrong move. Yes, for benefit umfana financial and stuff igrand mara bekumele yenze long ukuthi adlale ku Chiefs. Ama opportunities abe khona na ku Europe na ku national team njengoba bambizile maya.